Today's video tutorial, I want to show you where to go about enabling the hidden apps or hide apps feature on a Poco or a Xiaomi phone with Hyper OS. And after that, where to go to actually access the hidden apps. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is look for the hidden apps feature, and you'll go into the settings. Then you will tap here and just simply type in the words hidden, or just start typing in hidden here. You'll see hidden apps, and from here on, this is where you will have it all set up, okay? So what you'll notice is it's going to give you a view of all the apps you have. It's going to tell you all the apps that are not hidden, and you have 38 apps in total, and this is the amount that's not hidden right now. And of course, your number is going to be different. So once you turn on the switch for any of these here, you'll do this here like that, and you will most likely get this sort of prompt that shows up on your screen telling you that when you split part ways on your home screen like this here, this is going to happen. You're going to see the hidden apps. So you'll need to enable hidden apps for at least one of the apps in the hidden apps settings section here, okay? And you can go back now and add some more apps, or you can add more apps from here as well to add some more here if you want to, okay? So let's just say I'll add these here, and I'll just close out everything, and then we'll do the same thing again. Okay, so you're splitting part ways here. Let's back out of here, and you're gonna get this here like that, okay? And you will see when you're in this section here, you'll tap on the settings here, and you're gonna just simply get the hide notifications for the apps here that are hidden if you want to turn that on, okay? But once you have the apps hidden in here, the only way to actually access them now is to do this here and go into it, okay? And of course, if you want to remove any of the apps now, let's just say we come out of here, you can go back here, go to settings, go back into the hidden apps itself, this here, and then just simply turn them off here, and that's going to take them out of the hidden apps for you, okay? So like and sub.